Hello, and welcome to It's Not Letting Me. Today, I'm going to talk to you about making digital puppets with AI backgrounds. How does that work? First of all, we're going to use Adobe's Character Animator. It is an incredible digital puppet program where you can speak. As you speak, it'll record it and then apply those actions to the puppet. We're going to record two characters in Character Animator. We're going to export the backgrounds on green screen. We're going to import those green screened backgrounds into CapCut. We're going to go into Adobe Firefly and generate an AI background based on the story we're telling. And then we're going to edit it all together. Let's go. First thing you're going to do is, in Character Animator, you're going to choose a character. I have selected this guy. I like him. I think he looks like a Twinkie. And I've written a short script about this Twinkie. Twinkie first says, "I bought popcorn." Puppy says,
"You're literally, food."
Twinkie says, "Popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course." So what we're going to do is record these two characters in two different takes. So first, we want to record, "I bought popcorn," and "Popcorn is the sidekick. I'm the main course." So let's get into Character Animator. As you can see, right up here, as I talk, I am being recorded. And you can see the Twinkie is also tracking my motions. Close my eyes, he closes his eyes, open his eyes. So we're going to go ahead and do it. 3, 2, 1. "Hey, I brought popcorn." "Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course." I'm going to do 3 takes just so we have it taken. "Ah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course." "I brought popcorn." "Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course." "Hey, I brought popcorn." "Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main." I'll delete that. We're just going to put this one in there. "It's the sidekick. I'm the main course. It's the sidekick. I'm the main course." So we're going to say, "I'm the main course," and then he gets twinkle in his eye. "I'm the main course." I'm going to do 3 takes just so we have it taken. Now I'm going to export this again. And then we're all set. The next thing we need to do is record the dog. The dog's line is,
"You're literally food."
it's a little snarky, a little funny. Let's see what it sounds like. Puppy only has 2 lines, so this won't be that hard. We can do it a little bit more. We can change the background immediately, so we're going to pretend like he's performing on a green screen. And you can see he's a full body, but we're going to recrop him in CapCut.
"You're literally food." "You're literally food." "You're literally food."
Once we're done with that whole, we can then export it. Same location as before. And you can add hand gestures and things to this. So if you want.
"You're literally food." "You're literally food."
So this probably comes a little later.
"Literally food."
Put one of these in that one.
"You're literally food."
Okay, so we just learned how to record in Character Animator, how to use a microphone, how to talk, how to do slight performance, how to export it as a green screen. The next thing they need to do is go to Adobe Firefly and generate a photo of the exterior of a movie palace. Exterior seems better. He's bringing his own popcorn to the movies. Nope, wrong prompt. Movie palace didn't quite understand. Movie theater, I think it understands a little better. So you generate as many as you want, and then when you finally get to one you like I think I like this one. It kind of looks space age. Yeah, the words are all backwards and everything, but I'm going to download it. So now I'm going to go into CapCut. In CapCut, you can create a new project. Twinkie movie folder. I'm going to drag and then drop this right into CapCut. Drop it in. And then this is where in CapCut you can see you can adjust the sides, you can adjust, oops,
Popcorn.
and then you can put Command B as cut.
Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course.
So he gets that kind of cocky attitude, and we're gonna. So now we're gonna just get rid of everything else, and we're gonna bring our puppy in. Gonna bring that in, drag and drop it.
Hey,
You're literally food. You're literally food. You're literally food.
So that is kind of fun. Keep those movements in there. We're gonna cut it there. Command B. Gonna move this into the middle section, this into the front section. Drag this over, and then we're gonna see how it flows. So what we can do is take out the green screen. So we select this, go over here to remove background, and then we say chroma key, choose the color, and then the color picker, and then there's our green. Same thing with the doggy. And then same thing with the second clip of ski. You could use this beforehand, but I did it backwards. So it's just a good practice in learning how this is done. So right now they are not even in the same shot. We can adjust that a bit. So we put, this is what's called a two shot. We can resize it too so that they become much bigger in the frame. And then the doggy should also be pretty big in the frame. They're pretty close together. And then the doggy is going to have some weird moments where he is not talking. So what we're going to do is fake this. We're going to put a cut here. We're going to go to speed. We're going to slow this down to about 1/3, about 336, not that much. We're going to put it right there, and then watch. It will become a perfect two shot.
I brought popcorn.
You're literally food.
So that's the two shot. Actually,
Popcorn.
You're literally food.
so we're going to recrop this.
You're literally food.
And we're going to give this a little more of a, we're going to give him a bigger shot. And then what we have to do here is recrop the background. Because when the background shows up like that, so I'm just going to resize this to here. See, it's really nice how you can just snap to these edges. I'm going to shorten this. And then I think that's it. Okay. So then this we're going to resize so that it fits the frame. It's in the basics. You just go to scale, and then we're going to move this over a bit so it looks like a different camera. And this is the two shot again. So it gets kids thinking about what should the camera look like. And then the final shot.
Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course.
I'm going to resize him again. I'm going to resize the background because this is a different angle. It's more over here now. We're going to resize him so he's not full frame anymore. And then.
Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course.
I like that little. So the first thing I want to do is that particular moment when the eyes appear. I'm going to put a sound effect there. So we're going to put a chime or something. You want to do a sound effects though. So we want to put the peak of that right about there. Let's see how it sounds.
I'm the main course. I'm the main course.
Maybe after he says it.
I'm the main course.
No.
I'm the main course.
And shorten it so it's off, not the whole length of the clip. And this is the first draft. You can also add music. You want to say you want to add like old-fashioned music. So you can drag that into there. All kinds of music you can add, but for this purpose, I want you to just know you can do it.
Hey, I brought popcorn.
Might be helpful to have some popcorn there. Let's see if they have a sticker called popcorn. Yep, and then you put that in his hand. So that motion tracking, you're going to stick that popcorn in his hand.
Hey, I brought popcorn.
And then we want to put that sound effect back there right after he says it.
Popcorn.
You're literally food.
It's a little long on that cut, so let's see what we're going to do there. Just shorten it. And then when you're done here, you're going to go to export, give it a name. You're going to put it in that same folder and save it.
Hey, I brought popcorn.
You're literally food.
Nah, popcorn's the sidekick. I'm the main course.
It's not letting me! Quit saying that.
Like and subscribe down below.